Welcome to Python for Newbies. Today you're going to learn exactly how to start coding in Python, even if you've never typed a single line before. By the end of this video, you'll understand how Python works, how to write your first program, and how to build confidence with real code. Let's start with the basics. Python is one of the easiest programming languages because the code reads almost like English. You don't need special math skills, you don't need a computer science degree. You just need curiosity and a keyboard. First, you need a place to write Python. You can install Python from python.org, or you can use an online editor like Replit or Google Colab. Anything that lets you type and run code will work. Once you're inside your editor, you're ready to write your first line. In Python, the simplest command is print. It shows text on the screen. When you type print, hello, Python, and run it, congratulations, you just wrote your first program. That one line is the foundation of everything you'll build. Now let's go a little deeper. Python uses variables to store information. Think of a variable like a labeled box where you keep a value. You create one by typing a name, an equals sign, and a value. For example, name equals Randy. Now the word name holds the text Randy. You can print it, change it, or use it later in your program. Next, Python can do math. If you type total equals 5 plus 3, Python calculates the answer and stores it. You can print the result or use it in another calculation. This is how Python helps you build tools, apps, and even games. Python also works with lists, groups of items. Lists let you store multiple values at once. You can loop through them, pick specific items, or build simple programs that react to user input. In a moment, I'll show you a 10-line beginner program that combines everything we just talked about. But before that, here's the mindset you need. Don't worry about being perfect. Coding is about experimenting. If something breaks, that's normal. Every programmer, even the pros, learn by trying, failing, and adjusting. Alright, let's look at a simple 10-line Python script that prints a message, stores variables, does math, uses a list, and loops through it. You can type this into your editor and run it right now. After you try it, change the values, add your own text, and make it yours. That's how you grow as a beginner. Subscribe to the channel to see more great videos.